Just finished a week with Robbie O'Brien playing with wood in his basement, making a guitar. And I got to tell you, I haven't never played a guitar as nice as this one. It's been a week. Learned a lot. Can't wait to try it on my own. And I think if you all decided you wanted to do this, this is the place to do it. I don't know if you've ever seen pretty rosewood, but this is beautiful rosewood. With rosewood bindings, a Spanish cedar neck, ebony fretboard, a rosewood bridge, and the sexiest black keys I ever saw. It's beautiful. And it looks beautiful. It feels really, really, really good. And it sounds really nice. Not in tune yet, but it's nice. Pretty. It's really pretty. It's going to make some nice music.
Congratulations.
Pretty.
Very nice.
It's really pretty. Fun to play. Fun to play.
Hey ho, nobody home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet shall we be merry. Hey ho. It was the first song I ever learned on the guitar.
Really?
Yeah, he taught me this the first week. And then the second week he taught me this. And then go home and put it together.
Yeah.
That's what he said. Paul McGree.
Congratulations. You got a winner.
I got a winner indeed.